Right guys, welcome to my Oztent, new purchase. So I thought I'd come up the woods and put it up and do 3 nights in it. So you see how easy it is to set up. They state 30 seconds. So to put the tent up initially, but with all the peg outs and the awning, obviously takes a little bit longer, but beautiful. So this is going to coincide when we get our 4x4, and we'll have that on board with us. That's a perfect little day shelter, or if you want to sleep in it, you can get 2 beds in there. It's the Oztent RV-2, so 2-man tent. I'm really impressed with the quality. It's quite an expensive tent, but you do pay for quality. So inside you've got a really good quality ground sheet, which is really heavy duty, and the pram system, so that's all locked into place. You see me doing that, and the lovely back window with really fine mozzie netting, so nothing's going to get in there in the summer months. And I like the way you've got the fly coming off the back, so you can have a bit of ventilation and no water's going to get in. And then on the side you've got more windows. Oh, it's cosy in here. Can't wait to get me stuff in here, get set up. So you've got 2 of them, so that's one that side and then one the opposite side, and these all roll up and they've got tabs at the bottom, so it keeps it all nice and neat. But if you're in the market for a 2-man, 3-man, 4-man, 5-man tent, and you're going to do a bit of travelling, I researched these, and I think they're definitely the best tent on the market for quickness and quality. And it's a really nice colour, blends in with the environment, and that canopy at the front there is awesome, so it just gives you that bit extra shelter. And you can buy loads of add-ons, there's zips everywhere, so you can zip on a side panel, a front panel, so you can make this whole section into another room, so increase your living space. But I'll probably just keep it like this. I'm planning on having my vehicle here, the back of the vehicle, with the top coming over the back, so you're out the elements. But no, what a tent, and it's such quality canvas, really oily. And then come around the back, like I said, from inside you've got that fly that comes out to give you that bit of ventilation, and they're all zipped and velcroed, so if the weather does turn bad, you're sorted. And the guy lines, nice brightly coloured. I'm not used to that, I'm used to the green paracord. And in really harsh conditions they've given you some more tie downs points, but they go into these nice little pockets with velcro tabs, and they've even put a little drain hole there. So well thought out. So it'd be interesting to put this through its paces. But like I said, it's a 2-man, so gorgeous piece of kit. So this all comes, when I bought this RV2, all this came with it. Didn't have to buy no extras. All the poles are in, all the pegs, loads of pegs. So you're ready to go soon as you got it. And there's another eye there, look, for when you have a pole coming down here to make the extra room. And then on the front you can either have a solid door, or you can have the fly screen, the fly mesh straight down, which is really nice. I won't pull it down yet because I've tied it all up, but that mesh is so fine, nothing's getting in there. And then you've got vents up here as well. More vents for them really hot days. So you get a nice bit of airflow coming through there. And they're nice if you've, you know, like I've got a gas fire, well, cooker. So if the condensation does get bad, I could just open them vents. So I'm going to put my kit in there now, and then I'll show you what it looks like. There's a bit of a hike in with all this gear, but now I'm here, it's worth it. Plus it's keeping me fit anyway. But you can stand up in here. You know, it's really roomy. So you can get changed. If the weather's bad and you've got to hunker down, you don't feel so claustrophobic in there. So I'm going to get my kit in there and then I'll show you what it looks like. But no, well chuffed. You know, and out here under this, it's perfect. You know, I've seen one guy on YouTube, he's cut a hole and he's put his wood burner in this section. He's got all the side walls on, so something to think about later on. But I might just keep it like this, keep it simple. I've put a wall blanket down on the base, just a bit of extra insulation, and then I'll put my mat down. I'll get my sleeping bag out in a minute. And also, which is a nice feature, is these side pockets for all your bits and pieces to access at night. Which is another great touch. I'll get my bag out now and put that in. As you can see, that's the large Neo Air, and it's still giving me plenty of room. So it's 6'6" by 6'6", so you can lay either or, you know, horizontally or vertically. So that's my bed set up. That tent was made to be in the woods, guys. Another great feature, guys, is the canopy with the poles. They just tighten and loosen. It's a really nice touch. If it's raining, you can just lower or heighten your canopy, which is really good. That's all set now, guys, so I'm going to chill out and enjoy me 4 days camping here. Thought I'd show you the tent and my setup. So I'm going to crack that stove on later. Just rested that on a nice piece of wood. So it's going to be quite showery, I think, this weekend, so I'm under this canopy, so it's ideal. So if you have any questions on the tent, just drop a message in the comments, and I'll try and answer them best I can. So this will be my first night in it, so I'm looking forward to that. I think it'll be lovely and warm. Well, it is quite mild anyway today, but I think it'll be a lovely warm tent because it's thick canvas. So a bit of luxury. Definitely recommend this for car camping. Awesome. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.